Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself working with tables in Canva and wishing those rows weren't quite so bulky, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make your table rows thinner in Canva using not just one but two simple methods. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to give your tables a much sleeker, cleaner look, perfect for more professional designs, simple lists, or just making the most of your design space. Let's dive right in and get started. First up, I want to show you the classic click and drag method. This is really hands-on and gives you a lot of control over the exact thickness of your rows. Here, how you do it, start by clicking on the very first cell in the table, right at the beginning of the row or column you want to change. Then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Keeping Shift pressed allows you to select a range. While holding Shift, click on the last cell in the row or down the column. This selects all the cells in between so you can affect everything at once. It's a bit like highlighting text in a document so you can change it all together instead of piece by piece. Now, once all the cells you want to adjust are highlighted, look for those faint horizontal lines that separate the rows. Move your cursor over one of those row lines and you'll notice it changes usually to a double arrow icon. Go ahead and click and drag that line up or down and you'll see the row height changing in real time. If you want your rows thinner, just drag upwards gently. Take your time here, sometimes the adjustment is subtle and that's totally okay. You can always undo if it gets too squished, so don't stress about getting it perfect on the first try. I find this method is great if you want to fine-tune just how much space you want. Maybe you want your rows extra slim for a schedule, or just a little bit thinner for a neat, tidy look. But what if you want Canva to do the work for you, especially if you have a lot of varied content in your table and just want everything to fit snugly? The second method is even quicker, the auto size option. Here, how it works. Once again, click your first cell, hold down Shift, and click the last cell to select the full range you want to adjust. With those all highlighted, right-click anywhere on the table. This brings up a nifty menu, and you'll want to look for the option that says Size Rows to Content. Click that, and Canva instantly shrinks each row to fit the text or images inside as tightly as possible while still keeping everything readable. This is a real time saver and works especially well if your content is uneven and you don't want to manually adjust every row. It's like having Canva act as your table butler, just tidying things up for you. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get comfortable with these steps. Canva is all about experimenting and visually tweaking things until they feel right for your project. The more you play around with these tools, the more control you'll have over your designs. And that's it. You now know two easy ways to make your rows thinner in Canva tables, whether you like to take full control or prefer letting Canva handle the fine-tuning. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about tables or anything else in Canva, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you and helping out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.